The High Ropes course can be accessed from the stairs here on deck 12, and it sits right above the mini golf course. It's quite a large ropes course, and there's 2 tracks around the entire perimeter.
You must be at least 48 inches to participate and under 300 pounds, wearing dry clothes. No swimwear, sleeveless tops, or skirts allowed. You also need closed-toed shoes with a back strap.
Ready?
We're ready.
Piece of cake. All right, I'm gonna do this. And don't forget to walk the plank down there.
Thanks.
One foot, no hands.
Honestly, this makes me nervous. Like this?
Yeah, like that. All right, my turn. Whoa. Ah. And now that's easy peasy. This one's tricky. This is a really nice high ropes course.
You know, and it's a good amount of time too. About one lap takes about 10 minutes.
Yeah. This one's
Scariest.
Are you not good? You have to go out and get a photo on the plank with the. Oh, where'd he go?
Okay. Look at me!
Well, that was fun.
That was fun. I was actually surprised the more laps you do, the easier and easier it gets, like quite quickly.
Yeah, and they let us do as many laps as we wanted. I did 4.
I did 3.